grind, 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 grind. It's Kilo, boy. Yeah. Grind till I fall out. I'm on my grinder. Gotta get on your grinder. Yeah. Gotta make up your minder. Gotta get on your grinder. Grind till I fall out. I'm on my grinder. Gotta get on your grinder. Yeah. Gotta make up your minder. Gotta get on your grinder. So I'm on my grinder. Yeah, Kilo, boy. Yeah, I have my mindset for my different mentality. All them haters hating cause I can't get like me. Why damn? Getting money was my specialty. So I go out to a different pedigree. Now I'm balling out like I got a degree. But trap, I was willing my degree. Skirt. Moving like a busy bee. Yeah, but I ain't like no honey. No. I ain't tryna see the sad boy. You can't see me. No. Get a check within 20 seconds. I'm thinking about more money. Cash. I ain't worried about no social media. No. It's all about providing for my family. That's right. Yeah. I did it my own way. By myself. Hustle was a sport to me. So I hustle like a slave. Whip it to behave. Get it, boy. Till I finish, boy. Never stall out unless I fall out. Until then, I'ma ball out. Switch like a clock on the wall. Tick-tock. While I'm young, stamina in me. Yeah. Grind till I fall out. I'm on my grinder. Gotta get on your grinder. Gotta make up your minder. Gotta get on your grinder. So I'm on my grinder. Grinding every day. I'm pushing with motivation. I'm staying humble with patience in me. Yeah, I had my mindset, achieve my goals. Busting down the doors like I had it hacking code. While they was lacking, I was racking up, stacking up. Okay. Yeah, like a lineman, I was moving the pack, bruh. I tell my crew, steady go through, whatever you tryna pursue. Just stay on your grinder. Ayy.